Hey there! Are you someone who always struggles with what to wear for different occasions? Do you find it challenging to put together an outfit that looks stylish and fashionable? Well, in this video, I'm going to guide you through some outfit ideas that can help you dress up for different occasions, whether it's a formal event, a casual hangout, or even a date night. So, let's get started. Outfit 1. Formal event. For a formal event, like a wedding or a black tie gala, it's important to dress elegantly and appropriately. You can opt for a long dress, a gown or a suit, depending on the occasion. I recommend choosing a classic silhouette and adding some statement accessories to elevate the look. For example, you can pair a long black dress with some bold statement earrings or a necklace. Adding a clutch bag and some high heels will complete the look. Outfit 2. Casual hangout. For a casual hangout with friends or a day out shopping, you can go for a comfortable yet stylish outfit. Pairing a simple t-shirt with high-waisted jeans or shorts and adding some trendy accessories like a hat or sunglasses can give you a chic and effortless look. Sneakers or sandals can be a great choice for footwear. Outfit 3. Date night. When it comes to dressing up for a date night, you want to create a balance between elegance and sexiness. A flattering dress in a bold color like red or black can be a great choice. You can also add some statement jewelry, like a choker or bracelet, to add some glamour. A pair of strappy heels can complete the look. Outfit 4. Work attire. For work attire, it's essential to dress professionally and appropriately. Depending on your office's dress code, you can go for a pantsuit or a pencil skirt paired with a blouse. Neutral colors like black, white, and navy blue can be great choices for workwear. Adding a statement accessory like a scarf or a brooch can add some personality to your outfit. Conclusion. So, there you have it. These are some outfit ideas that can help you dress up for different occasions. Remember, when it comes to fashion, the key is to be confident and comfortable in what you wear. Dressing up should be fun, so experiment with different styles and find what works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.